Hello, it's Catherine with Adore Perfect Pups. Today here we have Meadow and Trigger's F1B Cavapoo puppies. These little guys were born September 25th, 2025. And this one here is Grayson. Now Grayson, he has got a really big personality. This little guy, before you know it, you bring him home and he's gonna explore every inch of your house. He's just got so much personality. He is a great puppy. So we're gonna get your weight. He's 2.9 pounds. And you guys will see Grayson play in a little bit. He is too much. Yes, you are. You have so much personality. And let's see. Next we have the smallest female in the litter. She's wearing the pink collar. This is Giselle. She is really just a cute little petite female. Beautiful ruby red color with white markings. And I'm gonna get your weight. She is 1.6 pounds and she is just as sweet as she can be. She's just sitting right here hanging out. Let's see, next we have the purple collar female. This is Gemma. She is kind of a red apricot color, white markings. She's a little bit lighter than her sister. Absolutely beautiful. And Gemma is right at 2 pounds. Right at 2 pounds. Next we have the red collar. This is Gianna. So I'll check her out. This is a girl. And she weighs right at 2 pounds also. What are you doing? Come here. That's Grayson. He's hopping around. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get it. Get it. And we have the green collar. This is little Grant. Check him out. He's got a really wavy curly coat. He definitely took after the poodle side for his hair texture. Oh, yeah. And he weighs right at 2 pounds. Where'd Grant go? Come here, Grayson! He's exploring. So if you would like some more information about our puppies, you can check out our website. Both of the parents are genetic tested, they're OFA tested, and all of that information can be found on adoreperfectpups.com. And also don't forget to check out our social media pages on Facebook and Instagram. And thank you for watching.